Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the quick solutions of All India Akash Test Series JEE Main Test 2 Code E and F Mathematics, which was held on 18th November 2018. So let us start with the question number 61, which says that if the sum of the infinite series cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 plus cot inverse 32 is S, then the range of the function fx equal to cos of GIF of x for x going from minus s to s is, right? So if I write its nth term, then its nth term can be written equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2n square, right? Now if I multiply in the numerator and denominator by 2, so we will get 2 upon 4n square, that is, now in the denominator if I add and subtract 1, then now this can be written equal to tan inverse 2 upon 1 plus a square minus b square can be written as 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, right? Now this can further be written equal to tan inverse 2 can be written equal to 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1 upon 1 plus 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, right? So this is the formula of tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. So I can write it equal to tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2n minus 1, right? So this is the nth term, but we have to find the sum of the infinite series. So S can be written equal to summation of n going from 1 to infinity tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2n minus 1, right? So expanding this, if I put n equal to 1, I will get tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 1 plus, putting n equal to 2, we will get tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 3, right? So like this, the terms will get cancel out. So this will be equal to tan inverse infinity, which is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse 1, right, which is equal to pi by 4. So it will be equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to find the range of the function fx when x is going from minus s to s. That is, x is going from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, right? So greatest integer of x can be equal to minus 1 or 0, right? So we can say that the range of the function fx will be equal to cos of minus 1, that is cos 1, and cos of 0, that is 1. So these are the two elements in the range of fx. So the correct answer will be option number 1. Next is question number 62, which says that if the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 cuts each of the circles x square plus y square equal to 9, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0 in such a way that it bisects the circumference of each of them, then we have to find the values of g and f. So here we can see that, let us say this circle is denoted by c. So we see here that the circle c and C1, their common chord will be passed through the center of this circle, right? Now, the common chord of the circle can be written as C minus C1 equal to 0. That is the equation, right? So, firstly, we find the common chord of the circle C and C1, which will be equal to 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of the common chord of C and C1, right? So it will be passing through the center of C1, that is 0, 0. So the value of C will be equal to minus 9, right? Similarly, let us say this is circle C2 and this is circle C3, right? Now, if I talk about circle C and C2, so we can see that the equation of common chord will be 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the common chord and it will be passing through the center. That is, it will pass through 2, minus 1, right? Therefore, we can say that 4g minus 2f plus c, that is minus 9, plus 8 plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Further solving it, we will get 4g minus 2f minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the one equation that we got from here. Similarly, if I talk about circle C and C3, then its common chord will be 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus 2x plus 6y minus 6 equal to 0. Now this common chord will pass through the center of the circle C3, that is minus 1, 3, right? Now this point will satisfy this equation, so we will get minus 2g plus 6f plus c, that is minus 9, minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2, plus 18 minus 6 equal to 0. So solving this further, we will get minus 2g plus 6f plus 5 equal to 0, right? Now solving equation 1 and 2, we find that the value of g will be equal to 2 by 5 and the value of f will be equal to minus 7 by 10. So the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 63, which says that the equation of one of the common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 is, right? Let us say this is circle C1 and this is circle C2. So circle C1 can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 1, right? And circle C2 is x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 2 square, right? Now the equation of tangent on this circle will be x minus 2, that is cos theta, plus y into sin theta equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent on circle C1, right? Now let us say this is the circle C2 which have center minus 1, 0, and let us say this is the tangent on it. So distance from center to the tangent will be equal to radius, that is 2, right? So here 2 will be equal to minus 3 cos theta plus 0 into sin theta minus 1 mod upon under root of coefficient of x whole square, that is cos square theta, plus coefficient of y whole square, that is sin square theta. So denominator will directly be equal to 1. So we get that 3 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 2, or it is equal to minus 2. So from here we get that 3 cos theta is equal to 1, or 3 cos theta is equal to minus 3. That is cos theta is either equal to 1 by 3 or cos theta is equal to minus 1. Now for cos theta equal to 1 by 3, sin theta will be equal to, let us say this is the right triangle, 2 root 2, right? So sin theta will be equal to plus minus 2 root 2 upon 3. And from here we will get that sin theta is equal to 0. So these are the two values of cos theta and sin theta. Now putting these values in equation 1, we get that x minus 2 into cos theta, that is 1 upon 3, plus y into sin theta, that is plus minus 2 root 2 upon 3 equal to 1. So from here we get the equations as x minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 y equal to 3. Now taking minus 2 on the other side, we will get x plus minus 2 root 2 y equal to 5. Now, these are the two equations. Now, one of the equation is given in option number 3. So, the correct answer will be option number 3. Next is question number 64, which says that if the slopes of the lines given by the equation 2y cube minus 2x cube minus lambda xy square plus 7 times x square y equal to 0 are in GP, then the length of tangent from 2 comma lambda to the ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1 can be. Right. Now here we are talking about the slope of the lines of the equation this. Right. Now slope is given by y upon x. So we can directly divide the equation by x cube. We will get 2 times y cube upon x cube minus 2 minus lambda into y square upon x square plus 7 into y upon x is equal to 0. Now let us here put y upon x equal to t, right? That is the slope here we are assuming as t. But the slopes are given in GP, that is t can be taken as a by r, a and a r, right? Now this can be written as 2t cube minus lambda into t square plus 7t minus 2 equal to 0, right? So here we have the 3 roots of t with us, right? Now we know that the product of roots here is a cube, that is a cube is equal to product of roots, which is equal to plus 2 upon 2, that is 1, that is a is equal to 1, right? Now we know that a is also a root of the equation in t, right? Therefore a equal to 1 will satisfy the given equation. So putting t equal to 1, we get 2 minus lambda plus 7 minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we get the value of lambda equal to 7, right? Which is given in option number 1. That is the correct answer. Now let us discuss question number 65, that is tangents to the parabola y square equal to 8x at the extremities of the common chord AB of the circle x square plus y square equal to 20 and the parabola y square equal to 8x intersect at the point P. If a square ABCD is constructed on this chord AB inside the parabola, then the value of PC is. So let us firstly here draw the diagram. This is the coordinate axis and the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 8x and we have a circle here. Let us say this is the circle, that is x square plus y square equal to 20. So this point will be root 20 and this point will also be 0 comma root 20, right? Now the common chord of the equation is AB, that is this one, right? So let us say this point is A and this point is B. Now we are given that tangents are drawn to the parabola at the extremities of the common chord AB. So here we draw tangent at the extremities of AB, that is something like this, right? And this point of intersection is P. Okay, now here we have constructed a square on side AB. Let us say that is something like this. Okay, so the points will be C and D, right? Now let us firstly find the length of the common chord AB, which will be found by finding the points of intersection of the circle and parabola. To find that, let us put x square plus y square can be written as 8x minus 20 equal to 0, right? So from here we get that x minus 2 into x plus 10 is equal to 0, right? That is these x coordinates can either be 2 or minus 10. But in the graph we can see that it will always be x equal to 2, right? Now for x equal to 2, for y square equal to 8 into 2, that is 16, y will be equal to plus minus 4. So the points A and B are 2 comma minus 4. Now the length of AB will be equal to 8, right? AB is equal to 8. Now as ABCD is a square, so this side is also 8, right? This side is also 8. So the coordinate of C will be, as BC is parallel to the x-axis, therefore its coordinate will be 10 comma minus 4, right? Now we have got the coordinate of C. Now to find the value of PC, now we need to find the coordinates of P, right? Now we know that the equation of AB is x equal to 2. Also for the parabola y square equal to 8x, we know that the value of A is equal to 2. So the latest rectum is x equal to 2. That is, AB is the equation of latest rectum of the parabola y square equal to 8x, right? Now we know that when we draw tangents at the extremities of the latest rectum of a parabola, then they meet at the directrix. That is, P is the point lying on the directrix of the parabola, and the equation of directrix of the parabola is x equal to minus a, that is x equal to minus 2. Therefore, we can say that the coordinates of P are minus 2, 0. So now we can find the length PC, which will be equal to under root of minus 2 minus 10 whole square, that is 144 plus 16, which will be equal to under root of 160, which is equal to 4 into root 10 units. That is, the correct answer will be option number 3.